fale KEMII YA. Fale KEMII YA. Minta mukwa ba elembie. Elaye. Minta mukwa elembie. Minta jaja ba elembie. Minta jaja elembie. Keji sane ba onope. Dane me pinke bungo. Mkani make buake. Mitani make buake. Mitani make buake. Mitani make buake. Ejole. Aumingo. Aumingo. Anyobi menfe. Mitani makebuake. Amekebuya, amekebumba. Ema feel. Nasa ni nukwe yemo bana. Mintani makebuake.
You be chairman Kenyan ko Jamestown TV no be min penye finish ko meko kemba. Jamestown TV Jamestown ni ami. Nke wo ba no ba le won babo na fe ni me na le ame. Blima ko ni bia na ngba me here fa anya le ame ko. Agbene ni bi ni afio ega ni me fela ke oje gan. Be ni ton suban ko yo mi won ni man bi fa le ake je na kan ni. Ene he wo chi obenko me wului ni amecho mo Jamestown mi. Ni ame ekpo ye ni bi fe momli. Neke meji meni dane sani wakasi ni ya mede dane nko bla yin ke bia me ko te la momi e ncho efet mo hwa monoko ka wo konko tinse no ba atula ni epo ake la fe mo bia ne ya shon ye ga shi cheme ko me yani esani wokwe amenagin famo no wonya woke kasi ni ene wo ngene ke wo kwewo eni wo yo ngene ji we jani ami ton yi wo je Jamestown wo ba we jani ami ni wo ke wo cheko ni ekpo wa ke ba la fe mo mi keba la momi nimba bi ege mi gba sanefi oko ni mlenche na ge ko e ka ge me po aye me na me po dugba wa de nche ni sane woni amese insumo no fa wonu e yefufu e wo miti mi benke wo che ni wo kra na sane gba wo Jamestown TV oko ye shu ago to nu noko shi won ba won fo e shu ke oba pe wo ke sane gba e cha no nyema me mi ba.
Jamestown people, are you ready? Jamestown, yeah. Jamestown people, yeah. When Jamestown is gonna be alright, only we can make it. And one of them, and one of them, and one of them, and one of them, yeah.
You be we wa don akeni wo ke won ba o chi o shi o kwa Jamestown TV no da ne nko akeni mo ba job no wa job pepe no ta obi nke egbe wo fa ha wonu efufu ye won ya straight wo ke wo che anasa ne gba nche o fa na mi pe wo ke ba Jamestown TV
that's right
na kai na o fa ne dan wo ba ya no e ba fe mi ke in lebo chon shin lebo fi oko man bi e komeni ye ju aga meda na meche gan la lebo wa de nche je mo ishipo fi o ge chon ni man bi ana
achomi normally achomi Martey ngangbe achomi Martey ni musical name achomi Dickson Raggae ona ni direction nje kwekuma chonshi ona wotwa ebai ona mo fi amule mi Jamestown na kai
wa bote o school mi ya fi o dani
anu kwalente school ya sempe shi mi ekobology mi wa anu kwale shi mi ekobology mi ona te school ya sempe anu kwale sempe
kobolo ake ka o school boy ya lo bebo ojuvo ni ye hia
dabi ya school shi pe kome ya shilash na kai
That's right. Beni to be mugubaka ga ocho mi shafi years ago.
Dabi Jenny in Chomiesha ona gbomo edwem ona shi haka shi ni shi am ye hin wo be come sana chocho e come na na shikadani aya school ona no chon. The truth have to be there ona no chon. So this is my truth, you know. Copology me.
That's the truth again. In what again copology the shi ya na into e po wa ni bi fe mom. In check me agbasa na fi o me bo bote into lala fe mom ni lala.
Okay, I was like 8 years. Then I start to play music in Jamestown. That time we having some cultural group.
Over na ken ha wo kwelo nu ko masmo no futu gan ke blo fu fi wona pe na me na ge ganyo kron je wonu ke na sa ne ba.
Na kan time we try buying cultural group ke Felicime ke Dani Asable mempi will be here. Mempi. It's true.
That's right. No, so many. How many groups are boy in Jibeni? No ni o join Dani.
After that, intra bumpy. On a intra sappers, intra black culture. On a intra I mean Bibiba. Bibiba is my last group I play before I go to Europe. And I American, she amete Europe. Bibiba amete Europe.
Ebi ani ba fi me go blanye fe mo fi amonto e fon be ke amanse. Ye ko le ni bi na fi e bi na eja hewo. Ani bon music e no fe e bi ni bi ya no dugba no no fon be ke te manse.
Je na kan, je no e wo ona e je obi no ba fi o han. Ona be no ba fi lo han Dani. You have to take music serious as your job. You have to suffer and fight for it before you can get where you want to reach.
Ani mokonekula ne monne shikete lo bolenche bo hin wale.
Mbelenche hin wala. Through my music, I get to Europe because the white people them love my music, so they pick me up. Yeah, they say you are coming from Jamestown, you are so perfect. You have right to ship on, you know what I mean? Rastafari. Yeah.
You want to get white man, need to me, I'm a sumo, Ulala family, Ulala mami, mini poten, if you know he won.
Min feel la because music can change country, you know what I mean? Music is there. Music can change people. So you have to write music that people can think and change. So many people write music. When I sit down and check up and see, that make Jamestown confused, because they are too much happy in the brain and they don't see what is going on, so it's hard. I hear so many music from Jamestown. The music is good, but the lyrics is reeling because they have to sing something to change the youth, because time is changing.
No money mas money o wieke bagami ke ha wo ko no ko yemi wa.
Yeah ma min Kenya kashi game. Nye chakia nye lala fe momi. Ko nye la nye ha game ko ni game aya hie. Wana mi nchon. No ni.
That's right. You have to get you no ko ni kemo konkwen sure ake ejumo ba fele no koko ake game a chakia me lala fe momi obla hie. Ese na me lala ni ta flat.
Chaki bekin biye. Ni ambe pa gbo na po wo ni ama chuni no na kishi keji o machine po. No boy, okay, help me come. Ni me believe. Ona no cho ya gebele kashi. She's a no fe no ko. Ona, you have to do something for the people. Ona no cho. So music can change the people. Ona, so no sane ofen wo fe come. Ona, ni afi la like ni ibani ko tashi no drain. What's on an inch, she lala na feel biane if it mo party song on an inch ni before they will realize my song it's too late because I'm singing for Jamestown people FAA KEMII YA all of this music far like a Jamestown
no chon ken amoko ne ile gbe ke bi e FAA KEMII YA ke oba nyo so na kana la fi o ko
ama twa ko ma FAA KEMII YA FAA KEMII YA Minta mo kwa ba elembie elaye Minta mo kwa elembie Minta jaja ba elembie Minta jaja elembie Kechi sane ba onope Dane me pinke bungo Nkani make buake Mitani make buake Mitani make buake Mitani make buake Ejole Aumingo Anyemi menfe Mintani makebuake Amekebuya amekebumba Emafio Nasani nukwe yemobana Mintani makebuake
Ine mukubayu yake small boys are young e ba femi yake shinita kejin kebuake nli yake woche na di monu la ba femi yake shi ye na kwe warete no wolala no infla ke mugolala no wola shin ye sho ake bolen chola ni lala ni eche ni atwa ye hi ife na ba atwa he wale ye mi
Anukwale
kemo secret ni ola ne
Anukwale FAA KEMII YA efeto mo gan ona gani wo yue mon laje ona wo yue mon FAA wole ne telenja eta o mokopo aba helele shi mokobeni ba hele gan shi gan le ake shi fi mo be e fa feto le be bine to gan to be na mi ni to gan mokobeni ba hele gan ona no ne chon shi ke gan fi gan dan do ba na kashin gan fi gan ona chuchu mo ona gan o chuchu gan chake wa shi woka emu ke yeli ona ke minche ba pianga ke lala ni ba chake gan ona lala jino ji chake yo no fiano kamo ko beni ba yue gan lala jino ne ba yue no nka ke we bia amegba me ngemi na me fe lala ni e ba chake gan ona fanteche me amela ona me ke chake gan ona ni wosumo amela ni wagbene sanu wola ni amisumo wolala no ni ba ni gan chake ka chake o yo mo pe ba ho ma yodi no sanu woteshi
nche ofa ne ke okwega ya fi manga ayo no kwa ke ji mamba hie be elume ni ji ehie enye loyi ji me ni ese na me jaje ma o na ke shi wo hie enye lo ni yoga ajaje ma
yes you know as a time now we have wrong leaders and wrong kings but there is time for everything ona no ncho be come ko chako here be ba chake ni polencho ba chake ona no it's a time for everything your obliging your gan amemoni sani ameke emoke yeli afi demonstration no ni a shi ojama na la na jome agbene sana keje different way ona no ncho ala ni joma bai ko ni ko tashi no kakaseni wo fe music no wo choni wo kakaseni ka twa Bob Marley but when kase baby don't worry but we can naturally ake oka worry ka ashinu agbegbomo ona achuni na kenani agbegbomo na kenani ona ncho. So there is a time for everything. Jamestown is my home. And God bless Jamestown forever and ever. You know what I mean? We are going to fight. You know what I mean? Now, this time, we are going to fight. I tell you, man, true. True, you know.
What you know, the kind of emotion you wanagashi Jumoka ga no I didn't ni neke meji menu tawo that na yan check on enjoy ni what you know na ke lewe twi kashi ne ba anye wa gan ni gan aye here ni bo fia ke otwa music la ola ye sure ke be we wale na ke wa oblahin ni
of course we have to help. We need to help people. Now, I need to help a lot of people that I can't. That is my life. If it's me alone, all the people, I have to help them. You know what I mean? I need to help them. You know, to help people, sometimes, it's not only money. You have to use your brain. You know what I mean? Because sometimes money confuses people. Because kashika by hand in the be she get drama jeme is everything works on anuncho because call bet jomo abanya wo man cheshi you can't do nothing for the country on anuncho joma kechoni ni abrochi na ya ona aya abrochi keka aya abrochi na kasioni na keba washia akeba uchonshia on anuncho akewashia ni. We need help in Jamestown. Government, we need help. Keji Jamestown. Ewami nake CVO po ehami. Yeah. I go. You know what I mean? I go put the community together. All these things when I'm doing here. That place I will do the every night party. She gamens ani. Ami pinsake. Oh, I can't let. Keshika polenche. Nanu mubaba wami mape ona nchon ko yeshika je akebioda ona nchon. I want to help Jamestown ona nchon. Jamestown must not help me my life alone. If I don't eat today, it's all right. You know what I mean? I fight long time, but Jamestown don't see me when they are playing wrong music. And wrong kings and wrong, all wrong leaders and all wrong. Anna onupa, beke BFA chomo onupai. Ke onupa efe anna onupa ni yomi. I can speak something to, to hurt my people. Jamestown women's. Ame onanicho yeni yo Jamestown they are good onanicho ame na walo onai kame na walo suku ame fame teyin onanicho no na kanjibe ni babale woye biami ni biami ni woyo na kanjibe ni nanu to like baji grammar change onanicho si Jamestown show na sanakwe ona aji ame ke babie bie ne nwa wo bie muji eyin ona ye be fine. It's not good. We have to look our on a got tashipon. Sano question to ba kaka chabuko yo here. Je bunya chai. She join show here no you don't know what now you on kai. Aka chabuko. Ala iyanula la konya ala aka dani best. Ika chabuko konko. Ekeni bi pinye. No di joe. Ake joe show here ko na chabuko konko yo here. Ukona nujisani ona sanu ko oshinle mi joy ke ni bi eke laba ona ncho no makpa fai ni me fe ametishi na me kwe muji ni yo gama mi because je go epe ona won fitai ona ncho kebo fe egbo lewun ba fe siko fe gbo e ba ke ndi banina ilaka mi ma mi won na kanon ona shi sani wo what is she dani ametishi ko ke gbe kan ye ni ismo ni ba hwe ona sani o kla hwe fi o ke na ke hwe ko shi la gbe ne ona ko shi le de hwe because ismo ni ba hwe alo ko nu pa ko tuni ni ismo ni ba tuni ona ukeleba chufio koshile ne chuan bene ana iba na interest je ni bo tashi to mo bokako yo ofo to mo manche ake na kan bi chuani manche sane tishi sane le tishi ne chuni. Thank you.
Oche you china sane fe she know you chinokuta ne ji CV hotel bia na eji wode in ya call na kan sane
bola ke
CV bia na ka fe so
plan fe ke je beni jeno ona keji gbekemi Friday ona mo fia mo le akeshi jeme ni anashika na ke wa community ni obrayin hu ekoye ni amahwe ona for wa ji ni ke maja ni bi ne ke jemi yin so mo ifachon sanana ke for so mo ni ebaga je gamenji me ni fi osomo ni radio stations en ni baga ifachon ona ncho is too much because it's our land ona ncho ni mbabi ene ko ayu fantino na
well done.
You know, yeah, I love it. I love the languages. Onanuncho, Fante and Ga, when you put them together, they works. Like you put water and fish, it works. Onanuncho, you can put water and electrical or fire. Not go work. Not go work. So it's like that. We have to fight for Jamestown. We have to fight for Jamestown to stand up because Jamestown is running. It's running from us. We don't have a king from long time. Things are going wrong. Before Benin Dakuana, Kenoko Fite Jamestown, Baba Chakoko, Ngongo. It's a culture. All these things we need to remember them. The young, they don't know this. It's painful. She Sivio is true. It's my center. Sivio neke places ne. Sanuwa fighti ni yende tie na black ba. She no more ye. Wabanye wo pay back. Ke we kume wo pay ameshika koni amikisivia hawo. Koni wo fe no ko ejen. Ibayin wa. Sanuwa fighti. She le ye ni ke she wo fe bibio. Wo fe bibio onupa ye hin ni na ko onupa ke ameke amamomo gbekin bi ami na meke okay ni wa no be sani wo chinyense no ni ba hin because ko afi ni kenu ko sani oke onupa ko nyo hin ni le na interest ake anukwale ami gbekin bi fite ale ni abaya fesa ye bi ke afi show yani mepin weti ablochi apa ne ke Jamestown ni bi pashi ni bi pashi wa no ke a start kon ni ba mi fio e buying wono wa feel papa
nje wi fe ke wono oji wono ba fe e ba fe ke ewi mo ne wi no ne botemi wa ji CVS na ke be ni nye ba fa CV no je memele nje adumo je nko be wo che me ni jo ke me ni la na ni ji me ko me so ma che ko ma gbe shi wo fe wole pi na me tonje me ke ho ni CV aji wo de crash tamo no wo che wi o ba ni wo ponle ke ba no ji ke wo fe ko me o ma ja che me fe ko me na ba yin oni ba che CV no ko wo sumo wo che ba ya me pi e ba fimi akeke ha oblayin ke oblayin ni amenu bia ne be fale jila la ne ba fimi ake mi nu fale o jugba wa de che shi mi to ma bia ke ani fale se o yela la conclude ni no mambie lelewa.
Jamestown people, are you ready? Jamestown, yeah. Jamestown people, yeah. When Jamestown is gonna be alright, only we can make it. I'm one of them. I'm one of them. I'm one of them. I'm one of them. Yeah. Jamestown, 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 yeah. Jamestown, 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 yeah. Jamestown, yeah. Jamestown, Rastaman. Jamestown, fisherman. Jamestown, Rastaman, yeah. Let's come together and make Jamestown better place. When Jamestown leader, yeah. Too much corruption. Yeah. Corruption. Too much corruption. When Jamestown is gonna be, come on, too much corruption. When Jamestown is gonna be alright, yeah. Only we can make it, yeah. Jamestown people, yeah. Jamestown people, are you ready? Jamestown people, yeah. Jamestown people. Jamestown people. Jamestown people. When Jamestown's gonna be alright, only we can make it. I'm one of them. I am one of them, yeah. One of them, yeah. Jamestown, 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 yeah. Jamestown, yeah. Jamestown, Rastaman, Jamestown. Jamestown, fisherman. Jamestown, fisherman. Jamestown, Rastaman. When James was a leader. Too much corruption. When James was a leader. Yeah. Too much corruption. When James was a leader. Yeah. Too much corruption, filling to the one drop, yeah. Then we still find time to rock. We make it one stop, Jamestown. The generation get some feeling strong beat, yeah. As it is reading. Praying that reading, yeah. Resisting against system. Come on, Jamestown. I know Jah will never let us down. Oh, Jamestown. Come on, yeah. I know Jah never let us down. Ooh, James. I know Jah will never let us down. James was a leader, yeah. I know Jah never let us down. Then we know Jah will never let us down. Jamestown people, now we know today Jah will never pam pa 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 pa. Jah will never together let us down. Jamestown, I know Jah never let us down. Jamestown people, yeah. I know Jah never let us down. Come on. Thank you.
Charlie, this is serious. Bafemi ake bena twalala na le mo nchifio. No chuma ke keji ojumo Jamestown here. Ke obulela na etu e sure ko bafo. Da ke Hennessy na chukun Jamestown a share. Effect mo work pese. Ke bara wojian mi Jamestown ne wo chi e wolomi wa de nche. Ene one British be ne ameke wo hwe kra shi ni bi ni ji wo no fen bia na ngmewo all in the name of mokome mfa mokome nta oni fen aje kutokumi no ne sani mokwa na mokome etano wo ba kwafa ene won apilike ha imagine wo cheme nyeti ashijogba nya damonshi ejake a time is coming ni keji wo nye wo daji wo jogba Jamestown ba gbe shikra ni e ba femi ake oblan ni yo mi e fe kokra e ba yin hare wo che ko ba e hia he ne yo ye we jani ami Jamestown so jino ni pa bi ni mfunse na ko Jamestown rock ona ke Jamestown ke twi wa den ni wona gbese no wa bile ke chon Jamestown sane ejake mi na ke Jamestown ke twi nche ke mi agbasa na o hia tetepo o ma Jamestown rock ke pa mi mi ne wo
Onake Cosmo Mokwe, you have to fall in love. Ona. If you anything you have to do, you have to fall in love. Koto Kasijitas, you have to fall in love. If you want to love your country, you have to fall in love with your country. So I fall in love with Jamestown.
Jamestown.
Yeah, all my song is for Jamestown. All my music, I'm singing for Jamestown, and I sing a lot of music for Jamestown. And I will pass some of them to you so that you can play it too. You know, I'm very happy to see you in my life. And all what I want to say is, God bless us to come together. You know what I mean? Because me and you, we can make Jamestown better. You know what I mean? Because I come to help you. You know what I mean? So it's nice to see you. You know, before I see you many times on my page, and I write you many times, I was thinking maybe you don't know me. You think maybe I'm coming from Caribbean. So, but now you know where I'm coming. I was sleeping in your house before.
Wow.
You know what I mean? I know you when you was young. And you live in the yard of the king, you know what I mean? So you come to the yard of Jamestown, you know what I mean? It's a rocky place, you know what I mean? Today I'm not so well, you know. No matter, you know, I'm so crazy on my music, but you know, sometimes you make me hot, you know, not easy for me for interview, you know what I mean? I'm trying to for interview, you know, it's not easy for me, I must try, you know. But Jamestown is a special place, you know. And I see my people are suffering. They need help, not help to beat anybody, but help to with the mind, you know, to put them together, you know, put them together. Even, you know, put the women together, give them the job every Sunday that they can, work in the street. You know what I mean? And it must be nice way to catch at them. You know what I mean? Together and move them along. Jamestown is a really beautiful place, you know, but we have to look upon Jamestown. You see, what I speak before is now they change the fishermen to other side, and they start to dirty the other side, and it's not nice, you know what I mean? Because where you are getting your daily bread, you know, you have to look that it's clean there, you know what I mean? If you know, no shit in the beach.
Can help kwelo ni ko fin ba fin ake work wasane ba mbanagbe shimwe wo ba try ni water be kokro no work wache anasa ne gwa jake mi na ke no ni yo emi efa esa na nye ji ekwen obla nye me ni la ye gan muko ne sa nye esa nye kase ni no very soon me sure ke e ba Jamestown shofa maybe the last time no ba Jamestown. Oh, mommy, just because you know we like to produce some people. You know, we have a studio here. You know what I mean? Jamestown studio. You know what I mean? That called Red House Studio. You know what I mean? And the yard here. Anytime you reach up here, when you say you are coming to Rasta Kingdom, Rasta Kingdom, no, straightforward.
I tell you, man, no joke. In the body.
Kingdom, yeah. Kingdom, yeah. Wow.
Totogu, on a coach Totogu, no hotel, Rasta Kingdom, Bekenbo, Libya, and Ancho. By next week, Wafi small shock will be an Ancho, Ninke, Fanbanimana, Nonia, no be a Bawanas. Won't have a problem with the water, but I think it's going to be all right.
What will be your last word, final word for?
My last word is like, you know, Jamestown people, I love you. Jamestown, I love you. Like the way I say, I fall in love with you. So I hope hope you love me too. You know, because sometimes small yokuni equal small on an she they love me very much on an she no tell market no you are many feel la Jamestown Sani me feel la koni akachaki Jamestown what fake be lala na akachaki Jamestown na ka ashifu lala jin ke adwaman lala jin no ani be be am feel ni na be na chole kojo be sia ke ni be adwama lalaji am a copy on an chon ko feel lala sa no feel lala ko wo kuwe on an chon ji adwama lala ibani beke bia kaseni ona blofo ni ya feel lala gbenu dan e feel lala ko ni ko mu o chake even Bob Marley ona chake mempi ji meni Bob Marley chake one love ko ti so much mi po I mean try because I'm like it's of some lala he put all the people together. One love is not I love you. If you say to a woman that you don't understand one love, you think you love. No, I don't love you. I want us to come together. That is one love in the church. No, I mean Daniel Jamestown. Jah bless you. As I say, Jah will never let us down. And once I'm back of you, Jamestown, with my spirit of new Sakra. Atamate in Geo Chami ya Jamestown. In Geo Chami. In Geo Chami ya Jamestown. Atamate le Geo Chami ya no me blessing your friend one love. Oh no, one love.
Wakwela friend ko ni majo nye friend ke nye kwewo woke wo interview ba na gbe. Shi mu amake bo akata me no wo che wi nya wo friend wo wa ni Jamestown enye emaji odugba. Ngba ji ni abe ni ke wo ko interview ba na ke bie wodun fi ogbeke ni oba bie. No se no na ke shi what the Jamestown to oba weja. Eja ke mo ehia wa no se na nya mole. Na grab na hinu ni yo edie na ke wa ni Jamestown enye emaji. Amada nye nu ke nche ni Felix Raggae le ni nyewo nyeke babie wole bie simo wala haje chileji mo ni ko babie ni wo ba fe interview ho efe ni yo ni majo le wa adanti ni majo Jamestown bi fe una kan no ni majo bu mo no ko akashi no ko pe share mo no comment no like bona fe ni woni bi enye ase nkenya ke Jamestown TV wo ba han gan me bona fe ni bi na fe gan na e man se fe na bona fe ni mi ke bu no ni wo che yo ke mi ke bu wo ba nya wa ni gan enye machine na kan no ka cha ko ojomo ke ojomo ehin se pe ni ko mo sha mi ne fe for menu ye gani ta flat nye won chipo jinke tu jinke ni nye pa won pa fa eje wode nye pa won pa fa eje wode nye kenimo anya ji keji we gan na le no ni ofe no ko ni o ba smo Jamestown ti wa cover ha boy feel free wana mes ko me ho screen e here ko okay wana sa ne gba ni wo ba okay ba wa tu ni nye ke ni mo anya shi mo e ko ya wo solemo ni mo ajobo nye ke ni mo anya shi bye bye.